Analyzing customer reviews is a must-do for Amazon sellers to conduct product research, improve their products, understand market competition, and manage brand reputation. Amazon's star rating system is a useful indicator of a product's success and a source of feedback for sellers looking to improve their products or invent a new one. The thing is, it would take too much manual effort to read and analyze reviews. It's suggested to use some seller tools like Tool4Seller to help you save a lot of time. So stay locked in on this video. I will show you how to do review analysis and take your Amazon business to the next level. Click on this button and it brings up the Review Insights window. In this Overview tab, you can see the distribution of reviews and ratings. For example, 63% of the reviews are positive. If you click on Review Trend, you can see the review trends within different time ranges, such as the past 12 months, past 90 days, and past 30 days. Let's go back to the Overview tab. Top phrases are the most frequently used words in the reviews. By clicking on one of them, you can see the reviews where that particular word appears. You can use filters to refine your search. Select your desired settings for each filter and then hit Apply. You can filter by variation, time range, and ratings. Plus, you can choose to only see reviews with images or videos, and select Verified Reviews Only, or select reviews from a specific country or region. This feature is particularly useful when you want to see what customers specifically like or dislike about a product. If you want to view and analyze all of the reviews, you can leave the filters at default, and it will display all of them. Here, you can download reviews containing certain phrases. Within seconds, you'll have all reviews you want in an Excel file. For these two tabs, you can see which product variations sell best. If you just started selling on Amazon or you're trying to figure out what to sell on Amazon, it's not possible for you to bring in all the different color variations, right? Usually, you're gonna start off with one or maybe two different variations unless you're very experienced and you've got a lot of budgets. So let's just jump right into it. As you can see, the estimated sales for this product are over 20,000, but there are multiple product variations. That doesn't mean all the variations sell the same amount of units. Instead, it means that all variations have an estimated sales of 22,452 monthly. So how do you know which variation is making the most of the sales? That's where variation review analytics comes in. And you can usually see that there's a certain color that received the most reviews. So if you want to sell this product, maybe you can start with black. And this one collects all questions from customers, which can help you write bullet points. I will show you how to do that. For example, this one is asking that is this yoga mat non-toxic? This customer cares about the smell. So you may say this yoga mat is made from non-toxic materials, ensuring a safe and healthy practice. It is free from harmful chemicals. Something like that. And this one, the shopper is asking which side of the mat to use. In this case, you may say this yoga has a dual-sided design. The ridged side of the mat helps to enhance your grip and any accidental slips. The smooth side provides a soft and cushioned surface for restorative poses. By including these bullet points in your product description, you address the customer's concerns, highlight the features and benefits of your yoga mat, and provide information that motivates potential customers to make a purchase. And here's where it gets truly exciting. This feature, AI Review Insights, is really a game changer. I'll show you how to use it. Select the variations you want. The points required for Review Insights are based on the number of reviews you choose. Anyway, every 200 review analysis costs 0.5 points. I'll just go with reviews in the recent 30 days. This process will take a while. When it's done, hit View Report, and it will take you to Tool4Seller desktop app. This feature is particularly useful when you want to see what customers specifically like or dislike about a product. Tool4Seller AI analyzed the product reviews and provided a report including product pros and cons, customer purchase motivation, usage scenarios, buyer expectation, buyer portrait, and desire improvement. Click Show More to see review distribution or variation. If you're not using Chrome extension, you can find AI review insights in the side navigation menu. Drop the product ASIN or URL here to get your review analysis. Customer reviews provide valuable feedback on product quality, functionality, and performance. When you dive into these reviews, you can identify areas of improvement and make necessary adjustments to the products. By understanding customers' pain points and suggestions, you can improve your products to meet customer expectations and increase customer satisfaction. And the last feature I want to share is really something. You know, it's not possible for sellers to find out which order the negative review comes from. If you're viewing your own product page, AI Search Order can help you match the possible orders for the review so that you can contact the buyer via Seller Central and make it right to maintain a good brand image. Just click on the AI Search Orders. This feature can help sellers remove negative reviews and protect seller reputation to some extent. Try Tool for Seller Product Research Tool and turn the customer's suggestions into winning decisions. Like the video, subscribe, and drop a comment. Your support means a lot. See you next time.